Stop scrolling. YouTube just dropped a bombshell that will change content creation forever. Google's VO3, one of the world's most powerful AI video generators, is about to become part of YouTube Shorts. This means that anyone, yes, even you, could make viral, movie-quality videos with just a few words straight from your phone. But what does this really mean for you, the creator? Will AI-powered shorts take over YouTube, or is this just the beginning of an even bigger revolution? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this news matters, how you can be first to use it, and the secret strategies that could make you go viral overnight. But first, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We bring you the world's fastest, most mind-blowing AI news before anyone else. Ready to become a short superstar? Let's go. 1. The VO3 revolution. What just happened? Let's start with the news that's got the entire internet talking. YouTube is officially integrating Google's VO3 AI video generator into Shorts. Now, for those who missed the live reveal, here's the scoop. At the Cannes Lions event today, YouTube's CEO Neil Mohan took the stage and announced a partnership with Google DeepMind, bringing their text-to-video AI, VO3, directly into the YouTube Shorts creation toolkit. But this isn't just another feature update. This is a paradigm shift. Imagine typing a dragon flying over New York at sunset or a robot dancing in Times Square. And seconds later, VO3 creates a stunning, hyper-realistic 60-second video for you. That's the kind of magic we're talking about. So what is VO3? It's the most advanced text-to-video model from Google DeepMind, trained on millions of video hours, capable of understanding both simple and complex prompts, and even matching generated audio and effects to your ideas. VO3 isn't just about visuals, it's about storytelling. It recognizes a style, emotion, genre, even camera angles. Until today, access was limited to private betas and select creators. Now it's about to become a native feature for all YouTube Shorts users. This is more than an upgrade. It's a creative revolution. YouTube is telling every single person, if you have an idea, you have a viral video. But what does this mean for creators, for YouTube's future, and for the power balance with TikTok and Instagram? Buckle up, because this is just the beginning. 2. How VO3 works. The tech behind the hype. Let's go deeper. How does VO3 actually work, and why is it such a breakthrough? At its core, VO3 is a next-gen AI model that turns text prompts into rich, dynamic videos. But unlike other AI generators, VO3 stands out in 3 ways. 1. Cinematic quality instantly. VO3 can produce up to 60 seconds of 1080p video that's as smooth and realistic as a professionally edited short film. It nails lighting, color grading, camera moves, even subtle things like lens flares, reflections, and depth of field. 2. Advanced prompt understanding. VO3 doesn't just process basic instructions. It can handle multi-part, creative prompts like a 12-year-old girl in a superhero costume skateboarding through a futuristic city at dusk with cinematic lighting and epic music. The AI interprets mood, genre, even shot style. So your ideas don't just become videos, they become stories. 3. Seamless YouTube integration. Once the update goes live, you'll see a new Create with AI or VO3 option when uploading Shorts. Type your prompt, select a visual style, and VO3 generates your video right inside YouTube. You can customize, add overlays or voiceover, and post instantly. But here's what really sets this apart. VO3 is trained on both video and audio, so you get not just moving images, but perfectly synced soundtracks, effects, even AI-generated speech or dialogue. This isn't just a tool for editing, it's an end-to-end content studio in your pocket, powered by one of the world's smartest AIs. It's like having a team of pro directors, animators, and sound designers working for you. 24/7, for free, at least at launch. And for those wondering, early reports suggest there will be a mix of free and premium features. YouTube is expected to label AI-generated shorts with a special badge, so viewers know it's powered by VO3. This tech is jaw-dropping. But the real shock is what it means for creators, competition, and content trends. Let's look at why this update could disrupt the entire YouTube landscape. 3. How this changes everything for creators and why it's a race. Creators, this is your moment. VO3 levels the playing field in a way nothing else has. Here's what's about to change forever. No more gatekeepers. You don't need fancy cameras, expensive editors, or years of experience. All you need is an idea and a good prompt. Virality on demand. With cinematic visuals and wild ideas, even a first-time creator can rack up millions of views overnight. Remixing and trends. Imagine remixing memes, trending topics, or news in minutes. The speed of content innovation is about to explode. Hybrid creativity. The best creators will combine AI-generated footage with their own unique voiceovers, edits, or reactions, making each short truly one of a kind. Niche power. Educational, travel, cooking, gaming, comedy. Every niche can use VO3 to make impossible videos, from history reenactments to fantasy worlds. But there's a catch. Competition is about to get ruthless. If you think the Shorts feed is crowded now, just wait. Millions of creators, brands, and even bots will flood YouTube with AI videos. The difference between blending in and standing out? How creatively you use VO3. Early adopters will have a massive advantage. The first wave of VO3 Shorts is almost guaranteed to get algorithm boosts, press coverage, and viral shares. So, what's your game plan? Start collecting prompt ideas. Now, watch trending shorts and imagine how AI could level them up. Practice mixing your real voice, reactions, or story with VO3's visuals. Most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. The more original, the more you'll stand out. Let's settle it in the comments. What's the first wild VO3 short you want to make? Will you use it for fun, art, education, or to build a channel? Drop your idea. Let's inspire each other. 4. Monetization, algorithm shifts, and the AI content economy. Here's what every creator wants to know. Will VO3 help you make money or hurt your chances? 1. Monetization. YouTube confirmed. If you're eligible for Shorts monetization, VO3 videos will count. This is a game changer for new creators who don't have filming equipment. Now anyone can enter the YouTube Partner Program through AI content. But remember, views and retention matter most. If your AI short is boring or spammy, the algorithm won't push it. 2. Algorithm shifts. YouTube's AI and human moderators will watch for spam, low effort, or repetitive AI videos. The Shorts algorithm is designed to promote high retention, watch time, engagement, likes, comments, shares, unique, original concepts, not just copying popular prompts. Hybrid content, combining VO3 with your own style, narration, or reactions. The AI content economy. We're entering a new era. The lines between human-made and AI-generated content are blurring fast. Expect new careers, prompt engineers, AI editors, and hybrid creators who combine AI with traditional skills. There's huge potential for entrepreneurs. Offer VO3 prompt consulting AI content, editing services, tutorials, and courses on AI Shorts growth strategies. But be ready. As with any gold rush, quality matters more than quantity. If you use VO3 just to crank out low-effort clips, you'll fade into the background. But if you combine unique prompts, personal voice, and smart engagement strategies, you could become the next Shorts superstar. What questions do you have about making money with VO3? Drop them below. Let's crowdsource the best strategies and share the knowledge. 5. The bigger picture, risks, rewards, and the AI creator future. Let's step back. Is this the dawn of a creative golden age or a risky new era? The rewards, creative empowerment. Everyone has the tools to bring wild ideas to life. Massive potential for storytelling, education, advocacy, and art. More voices, more perspectives, more innovation. No longer limited by tech, money, or geography. The risks. AI spam. Shorts could become overrun with junk if YouTube doesn't moderate effectively. Authenticity. How will viewers know what's real versus AI crafted? That's why the VEO3 badge matters. Copyright questions. If you prompt VEO3 to recreate a Marvel scene, is it yours? New legal battles are coming. Human jobs, editors, VFX artists, and even actors might feel threatened as AI automates more of the creative process. But here's the truth. Every revolution brings disruption and opportunity. The winners are the ones who adapt, learn, and create value with the new tools. VEO3 is not a replacement for creativity. It's an amplifier. It multiplies the power of your ideas. Your job, embrace the tech, but don't lose your voice. Use VEO3 as your creative partner, not your replacement. Stay updated, stay ethical, and always push the boundaries of what's possible. Question for you. Will you be a creator who adapts, innovates, and inspires? Or one who gets left behind? Let's talk in the comments. Your opinion matters. Let's be clear. This is the most important update in YouTube Shorts history. Google VEO3 is about to make anyone with an idea a potential superstar. The creator landscape will never be the same. So, are you ready to lead, or will you wait and watch others go viral? Hit subscribe now for the fastest AI news, first hands-on VEO3 demos, and secret growth strategies that you'll only find here. Smash the like button if you're excited for this revolution, and don't forget to drop your wildest VEO3 prompt idea below. We'll feature the craziest in our next video. AI is moving at light speed, and you don't want to be left behind. Stay tuned, stay creative, and remember, your next viral video is just one prompt away. See you in the next update.